coming up in this video. We are on the road again for another camping weekend here in British Columbia. But first we need to stop for coffee and last-minute supplies. With the warmer weather starting to roll in, we've decided it's a great weekend to use our rooftop tent for the first time this year. If you watch our channel, you will know we mostly use our hot tent during the winter. If you are new here, be sure to go back and check out those videos. Now that we are in our rooftop tent again, we are back to leveling out the Jeep to make sleeping more comfortable. We have a nice spot on our favorite river. Looking forward to getting the setup over with so we can enjoy the view. It'll be good to finally air out our rooftop tent after a long winter. Let's see if Dave remembers how to set it up. To recap, we are using the ikamper skycamp mini rooftop tent. This is our third year using this tent. We've done many nights in it and it's still going strong. We've upgraded the stock mattress to the RTT Comfort, which is a combination memory foam and air mattress. It's a big improvement over the original. Not much new gear to report this week. We did replace our camping odds box with a Step 22 bag, which saves a lot of space. For dinner this week, Dave will be using our Scottle grill as well as our Dutch oven over the fire. As the weather gets warmer, it becomes a bit easier to cook at camp. Now that setup is complete, time for a scenic tour around the site. On tonight's menu, soft shell pulled pork tacos. The pulled pork will take some time, so it's important to get it on right away. This is also the first time we try making pulled pork while camping. Dave starts by searing the pork, then adding a spicy barbecue sauce and water. It cooks for about an hour and a half before we pull it off. This dinner will be pretty simple. The taco shells get warmed on the scuttle and the cheese gets melted. Then cabbage, pulled pork, and all of the typical taco toppings. After enjoying the fire, it's time to go to bed. It's a cold but sunny morning. As usual, coffee goes on before anything else. Time to throw together a quick breakfast before packing up. Unless we have some sort of freak snowstorm, we are probably finished with hot tenting for the summer. This will be our first of many rooftop tenting trips that we will go on this year. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next one. See you next weekend.